The original outlaw, Aaron Osborne.
All right, I'm here with Aaron Osborne, who's picked up yet another big win right here in the first round. How excited are you to get a win like that, man?
Oh, I'm pumped, but I wanted to finish it with the strikes, but I'll take what I can get. He had some solid shots, but man, every day I'm gonna come in here swinging. I'm gonna stand up with you.
Oh man, that was a big shot you landed over here. He fell right down. Did you think you had him hurt real bad enough to finish?
Yeah, you saw me go for it, and I was swinging as hard as I could, and as quick as I could, but he pulled through. He's got some guts.
Yeah, he had a hell of a chin and a lot of heart in there. How hard was it to squeeze out that submission? I saw you throw it up 2 or 3 different times.
First time, it was hard. I barely had it. That last time when he stood up, I snatched it, man. I just went for it. I had pretty deep.
Oh man, that was a beautiful display of power and technique, man. Look forward to seeing you.